Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.